Neck pain? Travel blues? Meet the MLVOC Pillow, your first-class ticket to comfort anywhere. Ever struggled to sleep upright, waking up with a cricked neck and regret? The MLVOC Memory Foam Travel Pillow is here to fix that. Engineered with pure memory foam and an adjustable design, this travel companion molds perfectly to your neck, preventing head tilt and wiping out neck pain like magic. Whether you're stuck in coach, road tripping, or just catching Z's at home, this pillow's got your back, literally. No more nodding heads or sore shoulders. It's time to turn every trip into a luxurious nap session. Ready for next-level comfort? Let's dive in. Sleep like a baby, anywhere. This isn't your average neck pillow, it's the Ferrari of travel pillows. With 5-second rebound memory foam, it shapes to your body for pressure-free support that springs back instantly. The adjustable rope lock customizes fit for all neck sizes, and its ergonomic curved design stops your head from falling forward. The sweat-resistant cover keeps things cool and fresh, while the machine-washable fabric ensures every trip starts clean. Whether you're jet-setting across continents or snoozing on your couch, the MLVOC Pillow guarantees top-notch comfort. Sleep tight, travel light, no more neck woes. Accessories that go the extra mile. Why settle for just a pillow when you can have an entire luxury sleep kit? The MLVOC travel set includes 3D contoured eye masks, earplugs, and a sleek carrying bag, because your naps deserve premium treatment. The contoured mask design blocks light completely without squishing your eyes, so you can blink freely and preserve makeup. The ultra-soft earplugs drown out noise for undisturbed rest. Plus, the pillow compresses to half its size and snaps easily onto luggage, making packing effortless. Whether you're in the air, on the road, or just relaxing, this set is your portable sleep sanctuary. Built tough for the long haul. Don't be fooled by its softness, this pillow's memory foam core is made to last. It's been tech-tested for over a year, proving its durability and bounce-back performance, even after long storage. No sagging, no flattening, just consistent support. Customers rave about its superior quality, calling it a game-changer for travel comfort. At only 0.6 pounds and built for portability, it's light enough to carry everywhere yet sturdy enough for daily use. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a staycation lover, this pillow's got the muscle to handle it all. Tough, soft, and always ready, just like you. Smart investment, priceless comfort. Stop wasting money on neck massages and disposable travel pillows. The MLVOC Travel Pillow offers affordable luxury with reusable accessories and durable materials. Skip overpriced neck cushions that don't last, this one's built to perform. Plus, you'll save time and stress with its easy care and compact storage. Enjoy 60 days risk-free testing with a money-back guarantee. If it's not your dream pillow, spoiler alert, it will be. Why gamble with bad travel sleep? Upgrade today and discover why over 10,000 happy travelers swear by MLVOC's unbeatable comfort and style.